Today gonna be introduce you a short video demo about how we're gonna use this control panel. First of all, let's check on the front page. This is a 4 inches screen with the 2 mics on the front. It's not only support for touch but also support for voice control. And on the front page, we have 2 shortcuts. You can say this is to device. And I named this Bob Orange and a switch banana to easy remember. This is the shortcuts you can also to delete and add the thing or device you like to control as well. So this is totally personal. You can make DIY on here. And also not only as a control panel, it also has a multi-modal gateway. It supports for Zigbee and Bluetooth Mesh gateway. If you believe this is not enough, you scroll down the page, you will be seeing more device and saying on next page. So this is what we call next page. This is totally for you to just to personalize your experience about which one you want to control. You can take this for example. You can delete and also you can add. Here. So this is the the front page, and you just on the right you will see all the devices here. Let's take this for example. This is a bathroom switch. You just continue to just on the right, you'll be able to say for different multimedia devices like the camera, the doorbell, and also just supports for the control panel interactions. Like the IP camera, you connect it to the camera, and also you can start talking to the microphone. And also, if someone on the door, they push the doorbell button. And for the control panel, you'll be say who's on the door. You can answer or just hang up. If I answer it, hi, hello. You can start a conversation with the doorbell. And also in the case that you want to talk into other rooms, that if the other rooms has the smart control panel installed, you can also give a call to different rooms through the panel. You can realize that there's actually the different panels can connect each other through the phone calls. Okay, for this bulb, you can turn on and turn off, and also you'll be able to adjust the color and the brightness. And as I mentioned, this works as voice assistant, so it's a support for Alexa. Alexa, turn on the orange.
Okay.
Alexa, set the orange to green.
Okay.
Alexa, brighten the orange.
Okay.
Alexa, turn off the orange.
Okay.
And also, you can ask Alexa, play music.
Okay. Here's iHeartRadio.
Alexa, stop. And thank you for watching.
早上已经拿走了是吗？
昨天发的吧？
北洋不是今天才发？
今天发的。
应该是早上，我看一下是今晚2号。我发票我才昨晚才打，发现的。
爱好的话就把里面的设备已经直接显示在这里，然后开的话在这里，现在是关的状态。在里面那边。
这里那边是吧？
是的。
哦，那就不用看。
这是关。这里来调节这些功能，都可以调节温度上。